time for our phonics poem of the week. Today's poem is all about shh. And the title of the poem is Shh. What's that sound? Shy little shark in the deep blue sea swims with the shellfish as quiet as can be. Sheep in a shed go fast asleep while shadows outside begin to creep. Shoes on the shelf, nice and neat, shiny and new for your little feet. A ship sails by with a shh on the tide, singing and swaying with shells inside. Shout if you see a shimmering star, or a shy little snail not crawling far. Shh is the sound that's soft and sweet. Listen for shh in the words we meet. How many times can you find shh in today's poem? You can pause the video now to see how many you can find. I found 17 in this poem. Did you find them all? If you liked this poem, remember to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Take care. Bye for now.